Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can create this trending edit.
Talk to me, numbers never speak. Set 23.
Without wasting any time, let me show you how you can make this in CapCut mobile. First, add the song and add beats. Then add your clip and cut to the place where you want the effect to start. Take a screenshot and go to ChatGPT and upload this screenshot with this prompt. You'll get this prompt in my pinned comments and also on my Telegram channel akdasrealm. Now add the background and add the pictures as overlay and set the pictures according to the beats as I am doing. Now select the first picture and remove the background. Then add keyframes like this and watch how I am animating this picture. Then go to the graph and select this graph. Now add keyframes like this and animate it like this. And now go to layers and put this layer under this one. Then go to the graph and select this graph. Now do the same with this picture. Now add this overlay. Duplicate it. It should be in 3 cuts like this. Now rotate them in different sides for a visual effect. Now go to effects and add halo blur to the first clip and add shake to the second clip, and also don't forget to put this on all video. Then put the speed to 22 and intensity to 11 and adjust the length. Finally add the text like this. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment how the tutorial was and what type of edit you would like to see next. Sayonara.